If you closed your eyes and focused just on the sounds of mountain biking, what sounds would you expect to hear? Maybe babbling brooks and rivers? Or the crunch of leaves underneath? As lovely as that sounds, that ain't the reality.
Holy Ooh! I feel like we should be riding down this. Whoa!
Yes, this land of waterfalls produces many sounds of mountain biking, and here are the true, unfiltered sounds of riding in Pisgah National Forest and DuPont State Forest. There's that sound when you're early to the trailhead with just a touch of anticipation and some crunchy fire roads sprinkled in. There's the sound of those noisy hubs cutting through the serene morning sunlight and rays of humidity. The sound of your first climb when everyone is happy and chatty and only a little out of breath. There's the quiet, pensive climb when you still have a little bit of legs left in you. And then there's the sounds of tired climbing, complete with passive-aggressive breathing. But a lot of riding in the mountains is coming to terms with the challenging terrain. There's the downright chunky, nasty stuff found in abundance in Pisgah.
Oh my God.
And it emanates from what's known as the gnar. All that wheel-popping, roots, and rock drops. And it's usually peppered in with some choice profanity or nervous chatter.
Oh my God!
Oh.
Ah! Woo! Holy shit! Oh my God, it's so steep. Whoa! Oh, chunky monkey! Oh my gosh! Yeah.
There are also plenty of humbling sounds, like that sound when you realize you're just not going to make it.
Yep, there it is. Oh.
Are you okay? And then it's like, oh, sitting right
Yeah.
back.
Or when you quietly watch your buddies ride away while you're stuck walking your bike up Buckwheat Trail. Or when your shoes come off.
Oh no, my shoe came off.
Or the sound of just outright whining.
Oh, damn it. Okay, not cool. Oh, this looks steep. I feel like we should be riding down this.
Another group of enjoyable sounds is taunting your friends.
Oh, send that. Oh, you didn't send that. Do it.
But you gotta be prepared to accept some return fire, either from them or the trail.
Ah!
So good. That was so much less.
And how about those soft sounds of getting slapped across the chest by branches?
Oh my God. Yeah!
And then leveling up and getting hit in the head by branches.
I got slapped in the face.
With a lot more people on the trails, there's also a lot more of these sounds.
A couple more behind us, thank you. Thanks guys. Thanks guys. A few more behind us. Thanks guys.
Have fun.
And there's always something kind of fun about watching parents quickly scramble to snatch their kids out of the way. But of course, there are absolutely celebratory sounds with mountain biking, and they come in many forms. They're the sounds of hitting all those jumps that look and feel big, until you see them on camera. I'm a personal fan of the yee-haw when you finally get to stop pedaling up a hill, let off the brakes, and pick up some speed.
Yeehaw!
And the sound of clearing those obstacles that you've never been able to conquer before.
Oh yeah.
Probably some of the most enjoyable sounds are those moments when there's no talking or cursing. It's just you and your mates and the sounds of the trail. There's the smooth sounds of Kitsuma's flowy sections. The quiet canopy of Pisgah's rhododendron tunnels. And the smoothness of DuPont's Big Rock Trail and the forest's many lakes and creek crossings. And if green had a sound, it would sound like this. But there's no sound more satisfying than that sound of finishing up a great day on the bike. That's it, y'all.
Yeehaw, man.